Tired of slow charging, frayed cables, or compatibility issues? You're not alone. In today's tech-driven world, a reliable USB-C cable isn't just an accessory, it's a lifeline. Whether you're powering up your iPhone 16 Pro, MacBook Pro, or Pixel, Anker stands out as the undisputed champion of durability, speed, and value. But with so many options, which one's right for you? Don't stress. We've rigorously tested and hand-picked the top 5 Anker USB-C cables that deliver insane charging speeds, rock-solid build quality, and universal compatibility, all at unbeatable prices. High voltage first up, the 100W Powerhouse Duo, perfect for MacBook Pro users or multi-device families. This 3.3 feet twin-pack, Anker USB C to USB-C cable, juices up your iPhone 16 series or laptop at warp speed. No more outlet hogging. Share one pack between home and office. Battery need extra length? The 6 feet 60W fast-charging twin-pack slips into backpacks effortlessly, ideal for travel or bedside charging. It's a game-changer for iPad Mini 6 owners and anyone who hates cable tethers. Collision 4 raw, future-proof power. The 240W Type-C flow cord redefines fast charging. Imagine fueling your MacBook Pro 2020 or iPhone 16 from 0% to 50% in minutes. This 3-foot beast is your go-to for heavy-duty tasks. Direct hit budget smart yet powerful? The USB 2.0 6 feet twin pack nails it. Charges iPhone 15-16, iPad Air 4, and MacBook Pro 2022 reliably, without breaking the bank. Rocket and our #1 value pick, the 100W triple pack, 6 feet x 3. Yes, 3 premium cables for the price of 1. Deck out your car, desk, and gym bag simultaneously. Perfect for households drowning in dead devices. Backhand index pointing right ready to upgrade? Check the video description box to get these 5 best C-type USB cables on Amazon. We've packed it with exclusive discount links and full specs, so you can grab your favorites in one click. Raising hands loved this roundup? Help us spread the tech love. Like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone battling slow charging nightmares. Your support keeps us hunting for the gear you deserve. Blue heart. White heavy checkmark. Stay charged, stay efficient, and never settle for less.